What we got here is the Mregb solar power bank. This thing is awesome. It's got 36,800 milliamps. I've used the flashlight feature of it many times, and it still has a full battery. And then I turned on the flashlight and turn it back off. And as you can see, after several uses, the battery is still full. The solar charger works. The light turns green whenever it turns on, and the compass is pretty accurate. It's got a convenient carabiner clip, so you can put it on something like a backpack.
All right, we have the charger here, and what I like about this solar charger is that first of all, it powers up your cell phone super fast. If you look here on the bottom, there's if you open it, you have to open it up. There's 2 ports on the bottom of the solar charger, and you're able to power up your cell phones really fast. And if you notice, it has a super bright flashlight. I'm shining it here in the mirror. The lights are closed out, and you're able to see everything here in the bathroom. So this is an amazing product. It's very versatile, and for the price, I would get.
Okay, so I got this power bank for a camping trip. It works really well. My son and I both charged our phone on it. And I had a camping fan that I would use to charge on it. It didn't lose power the whole time. I mean, it went down, but it didn't run out. It also has the flashlight. All you have to do is hold down the power for a few seconds, and it'll turn on. Hold it down a few seconds, it'll turn off. Haven't tried the solar power, haven't really needed to, but
the best charging power bank I've had. It works great, charges both my watch and my phone at the same time. Doesn't take too long to recharge this. The solar power does work for mine. I set it in my car window when I am on the go, and it charges it in between me plugging it in. And I absolutely love it. It's really durable. It's the best. I love it. I take it with me everywhere. It's not only good for camping, it's just good for on the go too.
This is so easy to use, and it's got the little belt clip, Plus, it charges in my front window of my car while I'm driving. So I never lose power. So it's great when I go to concerts. I can just put it on the seat beside me or in front of me where there's sunlight, and it keeps charging, so I never lose any battery. I love this product. Plus, it's got the flashlight, which is great for when walking back to your car from the concerts, or if you're
Looking at this battery charger I just purchased, it has great light. You can see how bright it is. Has great charging. Has plenty of connections for your devices. It's easy to use. It's well protected. And the solar panel is pretty good size for collecting when you're out there and you don't have a power connection. I really like it. It's heavy duty.
Hold the button to turn on the light. And there it is. And then check power. And there it is.
What I like about this battery pack is that it's about the same size about the iPhone Max, and the light is pretty bright and it charges my phone fast. But one thing you can improve about this battery pack is that you can
Wonderful. Very easy to operate. I was surprised. And easy to turn on. Easy